Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install add Google Ad on your Windows 11. So you can try to open Google Chrome now. Then as you can see, make sure you log in into Google Chrome, log in with your Gmail account, and after that here you can click on Google Apps and click on my Ad Center. Here we go. This is the Ad Center. You can try to install this my Ad Center by Google in Windows 11. So you can try to tap on three dots at the corner at the top corner of your screen, and then tap or click on Save and Share. Here you can try to install Page as app, or you can create shortcut. Here you can create shortcut to this page, so you can access this page directly from your desktop. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.